If you don't like salsa verde because it tastes too then obviously you haven't tasted mine. Oh! Oh, that's good. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own salsa verde that you and your loved ones will absolutely love. So stick around. Welcome to the channel. My name is Gabriel Carrillo. If this is your first time, make sure you click on that subscribe button. That way you get notified when new episodes are published. And with that, let's get started. We're going to make our own salsa verde, but first, because we're dealing with hot peppers, I am going to glove up. I'm not wearing my contacts today, but had I been wearing my contacts, I would have been doubling up because I've made that mistake before. For this recipe, we're using tomatillos, which are green tomatoes. I got about maybe 8 or 10 of these, and I've got these beautiful serrano peppers. These bad boys are spicy. They will pack a kick, so adjust as necessary. I've got about 1/4 of an onion here that I have pieced up, a couple little garlic cloves, fresh cilantro, the juice of about half a lemon, chicken bouillon, and oregano. Can't have salsa without oregano. So, got a hot pan here, throw a little bit of oil, and we are going to cook these little bad boys up. Oh, shucks. Well, that's hot. I think I scared the dogs. It's all right, guys. Throw my onions in there, garlic, and then for these peppers, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the tops off of them, just like that. I'll do 3 whole peppers. And then the other 2, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slice them down the middle. And we can always take off a little bit of that vein and the seeds. You never know with serranos. Actually, no, you know, they're hot. Oh, that got me good. And all I'm doing is just charring these up. That's always a good sign. And these veggies are just about done, but I like to take it a step further to the next level by throwing them in the broiler. So what I'm gonna do is throw all these tomatillos right on there like that. Get our onions, peppers, garlic. And we're gonna let those go for about 3 to 4 minutes tops. They are ready to go, so let's throw everything in the blender here. And I want all that juice in there. Let's add some cilantro, juice of half a lemon, our oregano, and chicken bouillon. And let's blend. Now be real careful when you take this lid off, because it'll creep up on you. Oh, that green, so bright. Let's give it a taste test. Oh, that's good. That's not as spicy as I thought it was gonna be. I don't think we need salt or anything. I think it's ready to go as is. So I like to put our salsas in these glass containers. Pour that in there. Just look at that color. Don't waste that. One more. Oh, God. I'm good. I'm pretty damn good at this stuff. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Green salsa. Beautiful salsa verde. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also in the comments, let me know what you'd like to see me cook up next. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, buen provecho, thank you very much. We'll catch you on the next one.